Hi friends, today we are going to discuss an important section of Income Tax Act 1961. This is helpful for the working people as well as for the common public also. So, in today's life, purchasing of a house property is common in everybody's life. So, this section will be helpful who are intended to purchase or sell their house property, and they can avail tax exemption also. How to avail the tax exemption? See, because we are selling, suppose I'll go through an example. Suppose we are purchasing a house. So we are paying GST. Yes, everybody know that. If you sell the property also, whatever proceeds means whatever consideration or whatever cash you get, on that also you have to pay capital gain tax. Fine, it is a capital gain tax we will pay. But to get exemption from that, we have one section in Income Tax Act 1961, that is section 54. Section 54. So, who can avail this section 54? All the individuals means like human beings, and Hindu joint families, or Hindu undivided family means joint families will be there, no? They can also avail this exemption. Exemption means whatever amount you get, on that you need not pay any tax. So how to avoid such payment? So in this section we see everything. So some conditions are there which are to be fulfilled to avail this exemption. What are those? See, it must be a capital asset. Capital asset, and capital asset means that a definition is different. Means like generally which is immovable, tangible or intangible, but its life will be more than 1 year. The life of the asset or a thing which is more than for 1 year, that is called as capital asset. Fine. So now to attract exemption under this section, what should we do? It must be a capital asset first, and that too this section is available only for the house property. Okay, and the next condition is you should purchase or sell the house property in India. Okay, suppose you have a property and you are selling it. With that amount, if you purchase some other asset in a different country, then this section is not applicable. Okay, and and so and see, all these conditions if satisfied, then only you can be exempted means you are not paying the tax on the consideration. Okay, fine. Suppose one person having a house. A is having a house. Okay, A is having a house 1. He had a house 1 which cost 50 lakhs. So he purchased an asset for 50 lakhs, and he sold it for 60 lakhs. Then what is the profit? 10 lakhs. On that, generally we need to pay tax. But to avoid that tax payment, if you do 3 things, then you are exempted in paying tax. What are those? What are those? First condition. First condition. Suppose you are selling for 60 lakhs, right? You are selling for 60 lakhs. So you are selling for 60 lakhs. Then with this 60 lakhs, if you are purchasing again a property within within 2 years from the date of sale, okay, or this selling date is there, no, from this before 1 year, 1 year period will be there, no, in that if you purchase any property with this value, then the total amount is exempted from tax. Clear? Means whatever selling price you got, you are selling a property and you got 60 lakhs. If you purchase a house within 2 years from the date of sale for 60 lakhs or above can be, but it should be used. If you use within 2 years or before 1 year of the sale, then this amount is exempted from the tax. And suppose if you are constructing a house, you sold this property, and with this amount or it can be more also, but it should be minimum this. So if you are constructing a new house, then the period is extended for 3 years. Means if you purchase, then from the date of sale it is 2 years, and if you construct a house from this date it is 3 years. So if you purchase a property, then you should purchase before 2 years, and if you construct a property, then it is a 3 years. Means before 3 years you should complete the construction. Then this total 60 lakhs is exempted from tax. This is exempted from tax. Fine. But from the year 2020 and 21, from the year 2020 and 21, our act has amended, means added one more benefit for us. What is that? It is saying we are now, what we told, like with this amount we should purchase a house, right? Again, then only this exemption is availed. But from this year, that IT Act told us you can purchase 2 properties with this sale consideration. Not one, but you can, it is extended for 2 properties from this year. Okay? And that 2 properties cost should not exceed 2 crores. 2 crores. Fine? That is the added one, amended from this year. And the last and final thing is, suppose you could not able to purchase a new house with this amount. Then still you can avail the exemption. How? Means you should go to a nationalized bank and you should deposit this amount, the total consideration, in a capital gain scheme account until you purchase another property. Then also this is exempted. So is it clear? So section 54 deals with the sale and purchase of the residential property and how to avail the exemption for the sale proceeds. If you like this lecture, please subscribe my channel and share to your required people also. Thank you.